resort. Sections 33 and 34 of the Intergovernmental Relations Act provides that the first step is to declare a dispute whenever there is one between the two levels of governance. And my Lord, this is relevant because in our respectful view, the substratum of this dispute is a difference of interpretation between the county's Council of Governors on the one part and the national government on the other part as to who should fund the expenses of the Council of Governors. My Lord, in our respectful submissions, the Council of Governors ought to first declare a formal dispute and then refer that dispute to the mandatory dispute resolution mechanisms which are set in that act. My Lord, if you glance through the reference, at no point, either in the reference itself or in Mr. Munya's affidavit, does the applicant contest that it is bound by the dispute resolution mechanism set in that act. For those reasons, my Lord, we will rely on the provisions of Article 163, sub-Article 6 of the Constitution, and the decision of this court in the IEBC matter, that is in the matter of the Interim Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, application number 2 of 2011, where this court held that the advisory opinion jurisdiction is, even where the two issues of locus standi and the matters affecting counties are met, still discretionary. And therefore, we will urge the court not to exercise its discretion in the facts of this matter. That is very sorry.
Thank you. My Lords and my Lady, the preliminary objections are opposed vehemently, and we have filed submissions dated 1st September, but filed on 25th September 2017, and the list of authorities there too, dated the same date and filed on the same date, my Lord. My Lord, this is a clear dispute. It's a clear dilemma that we've come before your lordships and your ladyship to provide a clear roadmap which is very necessary and which is in the best interest of the public, my lady. Because some needs to be given on this issue, which is raised within this reference, my lords and my ladies. And the first departing point, my lords and my ladies, it is the article that gives this court the jurisdiction to determine this issue before it, the reference. And my lords and my ladies, I'm referring to Article 163.6, which confers exclusively to this honorable court the jurisdiction to offer an advisory opinion on a matter of public importance